So I had my treatment plan. I left the consultation visit, and I knew what was expected of me and had some time to think about it. I came back in for the actual day of procedure, and that went off very well. I was a little nervous because I had opted to have a little bit of light anesthesia, and but Dr. McDonough and his staff, they made me feel so comfortable walking in. I had absolutely no pain during my procedure. It went wonderfully. So I was discharged home. I had no complications. The discharge plan that they gave me was well spelled out. It was well written. I have to say that my experience for the procedure itself was really, really good. I have had absolutely no problems, but I will say that I think part of that is because during the process of talking about did I want to do this implant and what was it going to look like afterwards and the treatment plan, I think it was all so well spelled out that I followed instructions very well too. So I've had no problems.